Hi, I'm Chris with 5 Technology Group, and today in this video we're going to be discussing how you access your 1Password account from the 1Password application installed on your desktop. This should have already been installed on your NHA device by either myself or someone from the 5 team. As you can see, I already have it pinned to my taskbar here, but if you didn't already, you should be able to click on your Start menu, do a quick search for 1Password, and click on it to open it from there. But for this tutorial and example, I'm going to click on the one I have pinned to my taskbar. So I'm going to click on that guy now, and then it should automatically open up and welcome you to the sign-in page. So it says welcome to 1Password, and from here you should be able to click on either sign in or create new account. Since you already have your account created and you've accessed it from the website and or the browser extension, you're going to click the sign in option. So there's a couple different ways to sign in. You can either click on the first option to sign in on 1Password.com, so you'll sign in and authenticate for the application on your desktop from the website where you've already been signed in. If you have the 1Password app on your smartphone or tablet, you can click the Scan Setup Code option, which will allow you to scan a QR code that'll be generated here on the desktop app from the app on your phone or tablet, and then it will automatically sign you in. But for this tutorial, we're going to stick with the most basic and simple form of signing in, which is enter account details. So we're going to click on that guy now. And in the sign-in address, you don't need to change anything. That is the correct website or URL for the 1Password website here in the United States. In the email address field, you're going to punch in your Nebraska Hospital Association email, followed by your secret key, and then your master password that you should know. So in the email address field, I'm going to punch in our 5 email for NHA. And then I'm going to pause the video very quickly so I can copy and paste in our secret key and password for this account. Perfect. Now that I have the secret key and password pasted into their respective fields, you can always click the little eyeball to reveal your secret key or password and make sure that you've entered them correctly before signing in, but we're going to click the sign in option to proceed. And then you should be prompted with two-factor authentication with Duo. The Nebraska Hospital Association environment is Duo protected for two-factor authentication. So we're going to go ahead and click open in browser. So it's going to automatically open your default browser on your computer. And then it should take you to the Duo page. And then from here, it will prompt your phone. So it's already prompting my smartphone. So I will open the Duo app on my phone. I will tap approve, and then it should sign me directly into my device. Or sign me in with my device into the app. And as you can see, it proceeds right through and it takes us to the 1Password 8 is here start page. So we're going to minimize the browser in the background. So this just shows the initial setup page. It kind of gives you a quick look at some of the new features in 1Password 8, but we're going to skip past this. We're going to click Get Started. In this spot here, you would be able to import your passwords if you already had them exported from another password manager or say a CSV file in Excel, but we're going to discuss how to do that in a later tutorial. So we're going to skip that now as well. And then the last thing that it wants you to do is get the browser extension, which you should already have automatically pushed to your Nebraska Hospital Association device. So we're also going to skip that by clicking Done. Perfect. So now that we're signed into our 1Password account on the desktop app, as you can see, you have access to your private vault and any other shared vaults that you would have exactly the same way you would have on the browser extension or the website for 1Password. You can copy items, modify items, create new items, just like you would if you were on the desktop or browser extension. So you can go in and view items. It will give you notes about multi-factor authentication or any other things that it thinks you might need for a specific account. So all access that you would have is identical to what would be on the 1Password website or the browser extension for 1Password. Also, with having the 1Password app installed on your desktop, it will automatically authenticate and allow you to open the extension in your browser. So if you open up Chrome, for example, and we open up a new tab, and then we click on the extension, it should automatically unlock this for you, and vice versa. If you unlock it from here, it will also unlock the desktop application because they work in unison. So that concludes this third tutorial for 1Password for NHA users. Thank you.